I just started a new six-figure business using ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell you how to do the same. Guys, it is 2026. It's time for you guys to start making real money and hopefully get out of the 9 to 5 that you guys hate if you do so. ChatGPT is amazing. I remember when I first started in business, it was always hard for me. The first question is, well, I don't know what business to start, or I don't have any skills to start, or I don't know which route to go. Guys, in this day and age with the internet and ChatGPT, all of that is taken care for you. You just have to put in the work, and that's the truth. You have to let go of your fears and just jump right in. That's the only way you're going to start your business. And that's what I did. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your resume. You can either take your resume, update it, do whatever you have to do, put everything in there, and you can either copy or paste that into ChatGPT, or you can just summarize your whole resume and put in things that you are good for into ChatGPT. What I said was, I am good at X, Y, and Z. I've been doing this for X amount of years. I've also, I worded out, I put in everything that I was good at, all my skills that I've acquired throughout the years, and told ChatGPT, what six-figure business can I make with the skills that I currently have? And ChatGPT will read everything you put in. It's this simple, guys. I smile and laugh because it's ridiculous how simple it is, and people just complicate everything. ChatGPT will give you a list of things that you can do, the business that you can start, and give you bullet points on everything. It gave me like 3 or 4 businesses that I could do. And it gave me the ranges of how much money I can make. And with the business ideas that it gave me, it said I can make up to $200,000 a year. My mouth just dropped. It was like, it's insane how it just, everything is there for you. You just have to put in the work. Okay. And then now once ChatGPT gives you all of the ideas, the business ideas that you can start, you're going to pick one that you like the most. Okay. Obviously, these are going to contain the skills that you have. So I'm hoping that whatever skills you do have, you like and enjoy using them. Or put whatever you like and enjoy. Because, I mean, if you're in a business that you hate it, it's not going to last. Another video, another story. Put in the skills that you have. Hopefully you like them. Once you have and pick the business that you is like, great, I like this, I can see myself doing this, you're going to ask ChatGPT to break down what you need to do to start the business. For example, my idea that it gave me in the business that I chose and I have started is a medical media agency. What is that? I've been in the medical field for many, many years, over a decade, and I've been in the entertainment industry for over a decade as well. I have all this equipment, camera equipment, audio equipment, medical skills. Like I know the ins and outs of these both worlds, and it combined them. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to go into medical spas, medical hospitals, clinics, anything that has to do with health. I can go in and create media for them, put their brand out into social media. Why? Because doctors do not have time to do this. They obviously have patients. They have other things going on. Some of them don't care much about the internet, and it's this day and age, it is super important. You know, having your business online, people Google it, people look for reviews, and you build that trust with patients that you haven't even seen yet. Okay, so it's new clients coming in. So I asked ChatGPT, what do I need to do to prepare? ChatGPT told me you have all these equipment, blah, 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 that you can do for this, this, and this. And then it'll break down your pricing. Okay. What are you going to do? You can, for my business, you can do videos, you can do photos, you can do this, that, and the third. One-time fee and charge this. You can do this, this, and that. And it'll break everything down for you. How do I pitch this? Another question, you're going to go into ChatGPT. How do I pitch my business? How do I, depending on what it is that you're doing, it's going to give you the pitch. You can actually read it word for word. I wouldn't read it word for word. Obviously, you want to put in your persona, your character, your touch on it so it can feel authentic, okay? Use ChatGPT as the idea, but obviously it has to be in the core, it has to be you, okay? So you can connect with people. This is very important. Okay. And then once ChatGPT gave you the business idea, gave you the business model, how you're going to make money, how you're going to pitch it, then it's time for you to put everything together and just go. Okay. What's going to happen when you have all this information? Your brain is going to start bringing up all of these issues, things that can go wrong. Block those out. Those are going to come naturally. Well, what if this doesn't work? What if it does work? Okay? You know, before ChatGPT, we were asking ourselves, well, I don't have any skills, or I don't have any ideas for businesses. I can't do this. Now everything is right directly in front of you. Okay? So you have no excuses. And then now if you're going to have more negative thoughts come in, which is probably natural, just, you know, the mind does that. It's trying to protect you. Forget about that for right now, okay? Just move forward. Take step by step. And you're going to see it's going to work. If it's a good business idea, if your skills that you put into ChatGPT is something that the community needs, people around you needs, or people want, your business is going to work. I just need you to put everything together now that ChatGPT gave you everything, and go outside and put in the work. I have another few ideas as to why to use ChatGPT, and I have my notes, okay? I told you guys the other day that I don't script my videos. These are actually my notes, my bullet points. These are just ideas that I wrote down as to why you should use ChatGPT for any business. And the first one that I have here is faster idea validation. Okay, you're gonna put in your ideas into ChatGPT. It's gonna give you the rundown. It actually tell you if it's good enough, percentage of working, etc. It does all the work for you. You know, and obviously whatever you put into ChatGPT, you're going to choose the one that performs the best, because it'll give you a few options in there, and you just choose whichever works best for you. Okay, so you have faster brainstorming ideas. Okay, analyze markets for you, so you don't have to do the trial and error. Is this going to work? Is that going to work? Like, come on, how much easier do you want the business to, like, do you just want like the key to a building? Like, I know some of you is going to say yes. No, you have to put in the work, guys. Come on, you have to work with me, okay? So that's going to save you months and months of trial and error. The second one I have is low-cost strategic support. You don't have to pay anybody for these ideas. You know, all these consultants, for businesses that people pay a lot of money for, you have ChatGPT now. So those guys are in a little bit of trouble depending on what business you're in and how much you trust ChatGPT. But it's going to give you all those ideas. It's going to give you pricing strategies, branding strategies. Man, like it hasn't been easier. It hasn't been easier. And I keep saying this, it's all in the mind, guys. If you have a negative mind, no matter how easy it's placed in front of you, you're always going to find something wrong. But if you stay positive, you're going to find all the keys to open the doors that you need to be opened, okay? Next one is content and marketing scales. It has not been easier to create ads, to make emails, to make content for social media. One of the things for content creators is burnout. It's real. You know, we're humans. You know, we don't have ideas, crazy, amazing ideas day in and day out. It just doesn't work. Like, we need rest. Okay. This is where ChatGPT comes in. You're feeling burnt out. You know, ChatGPT, I need an idea for this, that. I need content for this. I'm not even gonna say anything else anymore. I mean, I've said it again, and I might just whisper it. It's easy, very easy nowadays. All right, and then problem solving. Okay, for those of you guys that before you start the business and you get all these negative thoughts, which again, it is normal. Okay, it's just your brain protecting you from the unknown, but you have to step through that. Okay, if you believe in the business, if you want to get out of the situation that you're in, you have to take a step forward. Is every step going to be the best? Is every step going to be correct? No, but at least you're moving forward. Okay, and if you have questions, doubts, or anything that comes up with your business, ask ChatGPT. If this so and such goes wrong, what can we do to fix it? And it's going to give you all the of the solutions for the problems that you put in the ChatGPT. So it's like, guys, what more do you want? Okay, it's 2026. It's time to start using all of these tools that this generation has given us. ChatGPT, all this AI stuff. Like, use it to your advantage. I know there's people out there that are against it, but guess what? The world is going to continue to move forward using all of these tools, and if you don't use them, you're going to be left behind. So it's a matter of how bad do you want it, and that's it, because everything is there. Okay, so I'm going to leave this video here. I love chatting with you guys. Let me know what you guys think about ChatGPT and AI in the comment section down below. I'm for it. I was a little iffy in the beginning, but now it's like, man, like how can you not? I upload videos every week. I will see you next week with another video.